I'm Dr. Devashish Sharma. I work in Noida as a spine surgeon. And we are assembled in Bareilly International University, where Dr. Varun has organized a beautiful advanced level spine surgery course for a lot of spine surgeons from India and abroad. I think from 3-4 different countries, 50-60 spine surgeons have come, and these spine surgeons are here to learn the most advanced technique of OLIF surgery. And OLIF has been designed and propagated by Dr. Abbasi, who is the founder mentor of the procedure. He is here himself in India. I had a privilege being with him in the US, and we learned it together. And right now, this time, we have also introduced one of the very serious instruments called Sacranova, in which we are going to address the sacroiliac joint problems. There was a live surgery in which Dr. Abbasi and myself demonstrated yesterday, and all the surgeons learned. And today we are demonstrating the same techniques on cadaver and doing it hands-on. And every delegate is expected to learn it hands-on on the cadaver, so that when they go back to their country, they are able to help the patients and serve the mankind better. I am extremely happy, and I really compliment Dr. Varun for organizing such courses regularly for the benefit of the patients, for the benefit of the surgeons, and for the benefit of the mankind. I'm so grateful to him that we have come here and we have been able to train, teach the students. As a faculty, I had a great experience, and I'm very happy for this thing. And I really have a lot of congratulations for that.